What is going on, ladies and gents? We got a little taste test action for you going on today. We have some Keto Pint ice cream. This company reached out to me before they started. They were just kind of picking my brain about like food production company in the keto space. Seemed like awesome people. I'm super excited for them. Super excited to try this stuff. They've sent us a variety of flavors: mint chip, sea salt caramel,
peanut butter cup, chocolate, and coffee. Yum.
Coffee. And just, I don't know if all the macros are the same. They're pretty close though. So it looks like total fat 13 grams, total carbohydrate 11 grams, of which 2 are dietary fiber, 2 are sugars, 0 grams added sugars, and 6 grams of sugar alcohol, 4 grams of protein. And the ingredients are cream, whole milk. Obviously this is going to depend on the flavor. This one is mint base, spirulina extract, oregano, peppermint oil, natural flavor, organic guar gum, turmeric extract, whole egg, erythritol, chocolate chip, raw cocoa, erythritol, cocoa butter, sunflower, lectin, stevia extract, non-GMO chicory root, fiber, milk protein concentrate, monk fruit extract, stevia extract, tapioca fiber, vegetable glycerin, sea salt, non-GMO guar gum, and acacia fiber. So basically, pretty clean ingredients. There's no sucralose, no Ace K. There's a couple gums, like the guar gums and whatnot, just to kind of give it the consistency that it has, but pretty clean. And as far as the carbs go, I mean, it's sweetened with erythritol. And again, it's going to kind of depend on the flavor for what the ingredients are to flavor it. This one has more ingredients because it's got that mint chocolate chip. These others are less intense on the ingredient list.
Yeah,
but
the chocolate, coffee, way less.
Yeah. Which one do you want to try first? I'm going to go in order from least to greatest of what I think I'm going to enjoy.
Okay, let's see. What was yours? Okay. Least? Like the least like?
Yeah.
I probably will least like the chocolate.
Yeah, let's try that one first.
Okay.
Chocolate. I'm not normally a chocolate person.
Me either.
At least as far as ice cream is concerned. Pretty good.
That's good. Okay. I know I have to take a bite of each one, so I'm like, I can't double dip.
It is pretty good though.
That is super good.
Crafted in small batches in the Pacific Northwest, made with local and premium ingredients.
That's awesome.
Soy-free, no sugar added, gluten-free. I like it.
It's really good.
Which one do you think
Oh goodness.
you'll like the least next?
Probably mint chocolate chip.
Really?
Yeah.
This was my favorite ice cream as a kid. Mint chocolate chip? I gotta sit down for a little bit later.
Okay. Either coffee or sea salt.
Alright, let's try sea salt.
I do love all of them though. That's the thing, is like that's why it's hard. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, so we're tasting them based off what our perceived preference is, then we'll tell you what our actual preference is.
That's super good. That's super good.
I don't know what happened there, but the texture of this one was different.
Super good.
This one is bomb. This one is fire. This one is really, really, really good.
Robert just said it was fire.
Fire. So yeah, that one's definitely better than the chocolate, in my opinion.
Yeah, me too.
Coffee next.
Oh.
Have some ice cream.
That one is really good. Not as good as the salted caramel.
Yeah, I agree.
It is really
Is it
good
better
though.
than the chocolate? I didn't
I would
taste it
mix
as
the
much.
chocolate and the peanut butter together.
I didn't taste it as much.
Yeah. I
feel
guess
like
maybe like
The
we'll put it
chocolate
like this.
might be, yeah, I think the chocolate might be even better. Peanut butter cup. This is your perceived favorite?
This is gonna be totally my favorite. Oh,
Think so?
yeah. Oh my goodness. This one actually has chunks of peanut butter in it. The other ones don't have any chunks of anything. Oh, good word. Yep.
That's your favorite?
I think I like the salted caramel a little bit more, but
Me too.
it's like almost like, oh wait, there it is.
I think I'm gonna go with that.
Yep.
Salted caramel still on top. Now, time for the mint chocolate chip. I'm super excited about this one.
I do like mint chocolate chip. I don't imagine it would be my favorite.
I got like hold on, I got other flavors on my spoon still. Alright, now for the actual bite.
That one is pretty good. I'm gonna say it goes, for me, it's gonna go below the chocolate, but above the, what was that one? Coffee.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I think I could see
Maybe
this
it's
one
not
being,
over here, huh?
I could put it there, or I could put it there. This one is by far the winner. Let's do one more scoop of this one.
What was that?
Sea salt.
Oh yeah, man, also.
This one was hands down the winner.
Yeah. It's so good. That one's like, it beats the other ones like way far.
This is definitely an undisputed champion.
So, your order was salted caramel, mint, peanut butter, chocolate, then coffee. Mine was salted caramel, peanut butter, chocolate, or mint chip, and then coffee.
Yeah.
They're all delicious.
They are all really good. Y'all did a really great job on this. This is...
And the texture is really good on all of them.
Yeah. We let it sit out of the freezer for like 45 minutes or so before we ate these. 4 servings per container, serving size 1/2 cup, 140 calories per serving. This flavor is 12 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, 2 fiber, 2 sugars, 5 sugar alcohol, and 3 grams of protein. But yeah.
I feel like if you're keto adapted, a fourth of this is probably gonna be a lot. Like it's gonna be perfect. It has just enough sweetener in it, but you don't really want to devour the whole thing because you're just like, I don't need that much sweet. But it's super good.
Trying to get this stage for a picture. Sound good? Yeah. But yes, huge shout out to Keto Pint. Check them out.
Yeah.
Awesome people, awesome company, awesome product. If you're missing your ice cream on keto, I vouch for this stuff. It's pretty tasty.
Super good.
Thanks for watching.